Good morning, good morning, good morning. I have my sound on today. I swear. It's been like 2 days this week that I didn't have my sound on, right? I'm not sure. But good morning. It's Thursday, October 27th. Let me get this out to the group so people can join. La-di-da-di-da. Okay, perfect. To live chat. I'm actually going to go live on Instagram today. I've never Oh, that would actually be a good idea. I was about to delete that. Sorry, I was reading an email and it kind of caught my attention. All right, so what you see right now is the 20-minute, the chop zone is up here. Let me just get settled in. And then we'll get to the breakdown of NQ, and then the market's going to open in 11 minutes, and we'll see what else happens. Just mimic me. All right. Perfect. I need to read that email later, and then I can delete this one. I have the fast on the right-hand side, but it's not going to start until the market opens. So let me get live on Instagram. I've never been live on Instagram. I don't even, does anybody even go live on Instagram? I don't know. We'll see how this works. Checking connection. I have it on my tripod on my phone, just like I do for TikTok, so it should be fine. Oops. I'm just saying I don't know how many people are actually going to enter, and if I'm going to get like new people that aren't part of my following, kind of like I do on TikTok and stuff, so we'll see. Exciting new stuff. All right, so let's talk about this chart. So yesterday we had this really nice move up in the market at the open, and then look at this level right here, and then this huge drop was caught by pretty much every scalper setup. So ES, NQ, and YM. I think RTY was the only one that didn't get the trade yesterday, but ES, YM, and NQ. ES made $1,100 on this drop. NQ made $2,000, and then YM made $500. So, hey, Justin, good morning. All right. Good morning, people on Instagram. This is super new for me, so, but I typically go live on TikTok. Thanks. So feel free if you're new here to give me a follow. I don't know on Instagram if you can send a heart or put a thumbs up or something. I don't see that, but anyway, so then last night we gapped down at the open, we moved back up, kind of just been hanging out here, had a little bit of a double top there, and then moved down. This is one of the targets for today, so it already hit. We had the reported 830 for the unemployment numbers. Good morning, Michael. If you're on YouTube, please think about giving a thumbs up. There's 20 of you, and there's only 3 likes so far. What's going on with my keyboard? Oh. So I have a wireless keyboard that obviously also has a wire connection. And if I have it wireless for like too many days in a row, it will start not typing correctly. Kenny's giving his opinions in the group. Oh, there are hearts. Oh, thanks, guys. Thanks to the hearts. Appreciate you. All right, so the market's going to open in 7 minutes. I'll show you the automated algorithm once it gets closer to the market opening. Range also took a trade yesterday. Let me turn it on. So for anyone wondering how easy it is to turn on the algorithm, it looks like this. So this is the home box of NinjaTrader, and you literally just go like this. You click it, and then it's turned on. And that's all you do once a day, and then you're set to go. So this was yesterday. We had that long, so we caught that long before scalper caught the short. Right here, immediately hit both targets. This trade, the first target hit in 16 seconds. The second target hit in like 50 seconds, something like that. So really, really smooth trade. That's on my story. And yeah, so range is the most conservative, this blue box. This is the one that's 88% on the year. If you're new here, it's the most conservative, the most reliable. And then obviously scalper gives some really big moves. Sorry, I'm trying not to type as much as I normally do. The market's going to open in 6 minutes. If you have any questions, let me know. No, I'm on TikTok timeout until Monday. So I will be doing live on Instagram Thursday and Friday, so today and tomorrow, and then I'll be back on TikTok on Monday. Who else? Hey guys, welcome. All right, so the auto trading algorithm is going to start trading soon at the market open. So it's still 9:25. We have about 5 minutes. Only one trade so far on the scalper this morning, and that was YM, which was up here. It had a loss on this long, which sucks because then you can see it actually went pretty nicely to the upside. It would have been stopped here at 32,185, which is 100 ticks, which is $500. So it would have made $500 if it wasn't prematurely stopped out. Not a big deal. Yes, David is correct. You can hear my keyboard because it's a clicky keyboard, but yeah, I do type about 80 words per minute. Good morning. James is my brother. I'm helping him with the setup process. Okay. Sounds good. Yep, once you get your account approved by NinjaTrader, which usually takes 24 hours, then you can fund your account, which takes one extra day. Like, then your money will show up the next day. Hey, Javier. And then from there, you're pretty much ready to go. You have to get the lease or the lifetime on the NinjaTrader platform, and then you have to pay $12 for the market data, which is a monthly payment. And then you're ready to use the algorithm. So all right, so it's kind of boring in this moment, but I promise in 3 minutes it will get a little more exciting if you're new. So let's talk about maybe the plan for today. This is the LIS. We could possibly come back here and then maybe move a bit lower. This is at 11,473. So this chop zone and the LIS are given to my group every morning. They're both proprietary levels and zones that I give. Is the $1,000 paid for classes? The deposit to my account. I have no idea what that means. If you want to take my mentorship, that's $1,000. You pay for that, and that has nothing to do with your account. That's the cost to take the mentorship. Then you have to put money in your own account to then trade out of that account. That has nothing to do with the money that you're paying for the actual mentorship or the class, if that makes sense. All right, the market's going to open in 2 minutes. We'll get some action. All right, George, so let's just wait until later. Hey, guys, in YouTube, if you appreciate the content, please tap the screen. Send some hearts if you're on Instagram. And if you have any questions, let me know. So if you're on YouTube, if you can push a thumbs up, that would be awesome. Thanks for the hearts. All right, 1 minute. The market's going to open. Let me turn this down because it's on 100 and it's going to be loud. So I have fast running, and then the scalpers, and then the range. The only trade, again, that's taken so far today was YM, which had a small loss here at the top here. But if it wasn't stopped, it would have been like a $500 win. Steve, I don't know what pulling means. Yes, Eli, it's all through PayPal, so you can use your credit card. What about the algo without the mentorship? So the algo itself is $500 for the first month and then $1,000 for every month after that. But again, the price that you're paying for the algo has nothing to do with the money that's in your account. So the money that's in your account is separate from the cost of the product. And the minimum that you have to put in your trading account is $2,000. No, Jen, I'm in timeout. Yes, Jean, that is correct. All right, so the market's open. Let's see what's going on here. Sorry, guys. I'm live on YouTube and Instagram today, so if you're in Instagram and you wonder who I'm responding to, it's people in YouTube. Let's see if we can get over this level again, maybe possibly get back to the LIS and then shoot back down from there. Oh, I should put the fast on slow only, on shorts only, but I didn't. That's fine. Still just testing. I literally just said what happened, Mark. No, Jen. I think it's because I said... There's that one person that was being rude. And Mark, I told you this yesterday. I legit messaged you and said this is why I don't like allowing haters in the chat, because if you have haters, they got on my nerves, and then I say mean things, and then I get blocked from my own business live streaming, which is not good. So that's my main concern. Yeah. It's the whole woke movement. I talked about it on YouTube after I got kicked out of TikTok yesterday. Oh, hey, Duggan. If you guys are new here, I go live every day, typically on TikTok and YouTube from 9:15 to 10:30. Please give a thumbs up. Yep, I responded above, and I said... I'm in timeout until Monday. I put it on my IG story and my TikTok story. I posted it last night. Thanks, DC. When you run range at night, what are the hours? So, Jean, that information is given in the group. I'm not going to be giving any details of the chart used or the time used to the free live stream. That's all given in the group, and when you're part of the group, you get access to all that. All right, we're in a short on the fast. All right, got stuffed out of that. Wah, wah, wah. Hey, Kevin. They do hearts on Instagram too, so you gotta send them. I don't know what that means. Yes, I trade. Futures are open 23 hours a day. So if you're asking what markets are open overnight, the London market is open overnight, the Asian markets, Sydney. Yeah, there's a lot of markets that are open overnight. And then the U.S. market obviously opens now. So now we're in this long on the fast. Thursday is the hardest day to trade. I posted this little breakdown of Monday through Friday in my group, explaining how I feel about every single day of the week. Please give a thumbs up if you're on YouTube. There's 40 of you and only 16 of you have hit the thumbs up. So not even 50%. Again, I go live just to show the algorithm, but sometimes I'm like, I don't really feel like going live. But I do because I know people want to see it in action, then people want some more information. But all I ask is that, because typically I give you a nice move. Like, let's look at, did we go back up? We almost went back up to the LAS and failed. This is exactly what I was saying I was hoping would happen. Go to the LAS and then fail back down. See if we can get a new low under this 11,357. We're in the short for $190, $250. The stop loss already moved itself into the green. You can see that. It does it all on its own. Fully automated. Yes, Rome, please. That's all I ask. 1 like per stream. All right, so we're out of that trade. Fast is definitely red on the morning. I would never trade this live on a Thursday, probably. Yeah, probably not. Scalper is not in any trades at the moment. We might be getting in some soon. But the only ones I have live today are YM and ES. RTY and NQ are not live today. But I'm running them just because, so I can see how they do. Hey guys, welcome. Order submitted. Right, Duggan? No. TikTok's mad because I told someone to F off. And they said that's bullying. So, yeah, whatever. Oh, wait, the fast isn't a $200 short. Order filled. Oh, it just got out. Order submitted. Fast is now in a long. But yeah, so I need to just watch my mouth. It's hard for me to do, which is why I say if someone's being rude, I just instantly block them and mute them. Thanks for all the hearts, whoever's sending those. I can't really tell. Food? Were you sending those? I don't know. This is typical for Thursday, Eli. But yeah. Thursday is the one day of the week that I could just take off. I could just call it like a spa day every Thursday. Say no thank you. Alright, we're in a long now. Choppy, choppy, choppy. What did I say, Steve? Didn't I say this last night? Order filled. Order filled. Wah, wah, wah. What time is it? It's only 9:37. This is ridiculously in the red. Could have had shorts only, but I don't think it would matter today. None of these conservative scalpers are in any trades. We're really just bouncing between this 11,399, so 11,400 and 11,440. That's all it's been doing since 840. Ever since the report came out, it's just been bouncing back and forth between these two levels. There you go. Now it's easier to see. Yeah, if you break the 400, Jen. We already had a few people post results for this morning, which was awesome. I can show you guys that. So Alex Karan made $68 trading using what I've taught him in the mentorship. Alex also made $455 due to learning from the digital mentorship. Good job, Alex. Garrett made $965. I don't know what he was running. He might have been running gold or oil. And then Jen took a manual trade and she made $1,072 this morning. Good job. Good job, guys. Super proud. All right. Oh, look, we're finally dropping out of this box. Jen, I know you're already in it. Oh, the fast is doing so bad today. Where's Mark? Go to your room. Hey, what's up, guys? All right. We're not in anything right now. Ooh, we dropped below. Are we going to break the low? So if you've been on the stream, again, you can always go back. I love to be able to say, please go back and fact check me. Because before the market opened, I said, I would love to see us go back to the LIS and then fail and make a new low. We've almost went to the LIS. The LIS was here at 72 and we got as high as 64. So less than 10 points away from where I was hoping the market would go to and then reject. And it's doing exactly that. It got a little choppy here in this brown box. But if you waited, just like Jen said in the YouTube stream, she's one of my students, if you just wait for the break of 400, you would now be green 25 points, which is $500 per contract. Somebody just said, I had a dream. What? We were playing poker. Now the casino's in some sort of subway. That's besides the point. I actually had a dream last night, and we were like, where was I? I was maybe in Vegas. I was like in Vegas, and there was a show happening, but then there were all these alligators. Steve is so right. It was so weird. All right, Kenny made $25,000. Alex has now made $1,200. Good job, guys. Nice work. These are all my students. Everyone that's posted this morning is a student of mine, which I think speaks to my education and my teachings. But you guys are the ones putting in the effort, because I've had people before that have purchased the mentorship and then they do nothing with it. Like, they don't actually try to retain the information and they don't use it. and they don't plot out levels and stuff like this. And then those people are like, I don't get it. I don't get it. She said, you know it. Typical day. Yes, Mark, we're aware that it's you. I don't know what to say. You mean 25K, Jen? Hey guys, welcome. Sheldon. Sent a request to be in your live video. No. Yes, you can do funded accounts with the algorithm. I have a bunch of people that use Apex or UProfit or Lilu. So yes. The fast is almost done for the day and it's shit anyway. Oh, because you're in another country, Jake? Yeah, because typically a wire transfer is there the exact same day. Like, I wire transferred to TD on Monday, and it was there on Monday. Mo, what's up, my boy? How you doing? Hit that thumbs up as all of my favorite people come in here. Can you guys see this on there? Oh, yeah, you can. Cool. Right. Comparison is the thief of all joy. Don't ever compare yourself to Kenny. Kenny's on his own journey with $1 million account, and us normal people are over here, you know, with $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 accounts, making 10% a day, which is amazing, and that's all you need to know. Don't compare yourself. And I know you don't, Jen. I'm just saying it in general. It's really easy to get caught up in comparing yourself to other people's progress or results. But yeah, good job for Kenny and good job for you. I know, you're awesome. Charlie said I made $8 on MES using the bot. Green is green in my book. Jen, I mean, Charlie, I'm so excited for you. So what's going on here? Oh, what a surprise. We came back to this ugly brown box. Oh, we might get a scalper trade. What time is it? That's 9:45. We might get a scalper trade in a little bit. We'll see. Side note, your IG live is not showing for me. Oh, no. It's definitely there. There's people joining. Duggan was on there, too. I'm trying to wave. Okay. Do. All right, kind of a boring Thursday, but if you guys want to talk about something fun, we can think of a topic. The so sticking to his throat. Oh, here we go. It's 9:46. These high news are on this show. What ad, Jennifer? I'm gonna add one now. Oh, you mean like the naughty ones? Yeah. Hey, good morning. Why'd you say Black Adam question mark? I don't know what that means. Oh, is that like a movie or something? Robert, I'm not sure what you're asking. So with range, you can run range essentially on anything. I have settings for ES and NQ. Oh no. Remember, I don't know about NQ. You wanted to talk about other topics. I know, but what's that? I don't know what that is. No, Jen, come on. I know. You see NQ right to the pivot. Right. Look, y'all, look at this. It was hanging out in that brown box, and then it just dropped. There's no NG. No, DS, I'm in timeout until Monday. I'm super sad about it. Yep, the YouTube lag is horrible. Oh, there we go. We made a new low. We made a new low. That's so great. Yeah, NQ and NG are totally different products. NG is natural gas. I don't trade NG, even though a lot of people do, and they make a whole bunch of money at it. Yeah, well, you did it twice, so then I wasn't sure. The first time I thought you meant NQ, and then I was like... Order submitted. Oh, yeah. Well, you can run both as long as they don't overlap in time. So you could have... Well, we'll talk about that in the group, but you can run both. I'm not going to specify the times here. It's a movie. Oh, yeah, I've never heard of it. And that's what I was wondering. I was like, is that a movie? There we go. We made a new low. This is exactly what I said manually I would be looking for at the open. A move back up to the LIS. We got 10 points from the LIS, and then a drop to make a new low. We dropped below here, this 57, and now we've dropped another 60 points since that low. This is why I go live and I give you guys free money, and all I do is I ask that you give a thumbs up. Oh, we're in a short on the YM. Guys, we're in a short on the YM. Attention, attention, people in my group. YM short. YM short. Yes. LLCs take forever. I don't know how Mark already got approved. Questionable. All right, we're green $150. Finally, some action we can see here on the live stream. All right, so the YM is a guaranteed green trade now. The stop loss has moved into the green. Nice. Alerts were just given in the group, like Jen just said, for ES and NQ shorts. So those are printing. Ooh, Jamie. Jamie's another one of my students. He made 24,000 this morning. This was probably in simulation, but he made 175 live. Good for him. All right, we're green 200, 170. If it comes back to 125, it will be taken out. That's what the offset is on YM. And YM's red 110 on the day, so if it hits the offset, we'll be green on the day. Not by a lot, but still, green is green. Oh, Andy. I just messaged Andy yesterday saying how much I've missed him, and he's been out of town and stuff. And now he just made $1,400 at the open. All right, so YM got taken out there, so we're green $15 on the day. That's fine. I have to go to a meeting this afternoon. I might actually do something fun today. I've been staying in the house way too much lately during the week. I need to treat myself. Oh, very lucky, Steve. He missed the first trade, which was the loss, so he just got the 125. Jamie, give a thumbs up. Oh, I thought you said yesterday, Mark, that you got approved already for the LLC account. And that's why I said, how did that happen so quickly? Because it usually takes weeks. Oh, nice, DS. This is why I'm saying it's not worth the hassle. Like, what are you going to write off? Like, a course. Your fees you can already write off anyway. Like, that's already taken out of your bottom line. But some people really like to do it, so I don't know. Like, you could always open it in the future and open a personal one in the meantime. You know what I'm saying? Personal one gets approved in 24 hours. And then you're up and running that, like, next day. All right. Nothing for ES so far. Nothing for NQ. Where's the 20-minute chart? Here's my 20-minute chart. We're still dropping. More results are being posted. Look at Chuck. I had a nice run on YM after Lauren said it was in a long. Thanks, Lauren. Awesome. Chuck made $714. Good job, Chuck. He just rode that up. It was a real nice move. This drop. Can you write off? Yeah, so you would need to talk, real man, you would need to talk to a CPA about that. I'm not a licensed CPA. I just don't think it's worth it, but some people do it, and they think, I guess it's worth it. Like, I hardly write off anything even with my business, let alone writing off something with a trading account. Like, you can't write off, like, I don't know. You know, people try to write off everything. I'm not trying to be in the hot water with Uncle Sam, okay? Dude, the next level I have is down here at 11,250. Oliver, send some hearts. How do you do that on here? Just tap the heart. Green is green. Nice, Charlie. Charlie, we have to have a party. Green is definitely green. smirk is crazy. You know what I've realized? Because I'm new and I know it's hard to start, but I just gotta keep being consistent. Oh yeah, Michael, I don't think there's a video about it. I talk about it every now and then. I started trading like 20 years ago. And I blew a bunch of accounts. I blew a bunch of accounts when I started futures too. But yeah, I started trading about 20 years ago with stocks and options. Didn't do very well. Didn't know about obviously risk management or taking profit. Like I was green like 3,000 on this one stupid option play. I don't like the company. I had no idea what the company was, and I didn't get out. And I'm like, what? And then the next day I was down like $5,000. So, or it was like a 5,000 swing. So, point being, learn how to take profit and keen on your mentor course too. There are thousands of courses and methods and setups from someone who has tried a lot of programs. Setup. What can you tell me about your setups? Yeah, I don't know. I understand a whole bunch of people have courses. All I know is that everyone that's taken my, well, not maybe not everyone, 95% of people that have taken my course do extremely, extremely well. I've been told that I break things down to a very simplistic level so anyone can understand. Like if you're brand new, I start at the most basic level of like trading basics, candlestick analysis, and then I build from there. My course is 14 hours, 6 different subject matters, and I build, every lesson is building upon the previous lesson. So at the end of all the lessons, you have every single building block that you need to trade properly. It talks about entries, exits, risk management, all that stuff on top of the technicals. But yeah, I don't know. I get a lot of really good feedback about my mentorship. All right, we're in another short of YM. Let's go back over here. Green $50. But yeah, if you want more info on the mentorship, you can email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I can send you a breakdown of like the lessons or just the information of what's included. But there's a bunch of people in the chat right now that have taken my program. Code is Jamie. He took it. Jennifer. I don't think Andy's in the chat. Alex might be on. I don't know. But anyway, my students do really, really well. And that makes me proud. But again, you have to be willing to actually study and apply and really see it in real time. Because if you don't, then you're just going to be like, oh, well, I watched the videos. But if you don't apply it, it's not going to help. Should we purchase your course first before the algo, or it doesn't matter? So that's a good question. Some people do go this route because if you purchase the digital mentorship, you do get 1 free month in the group. So you can also see how people are doing in the algo. You can talk to them. Like you're immersed in everything. And then taking the mentorship allows you to see more things kind of analytically as you're looking at the chart. Like even though the algo's in this trade, if you feel like maybe you should move your stop loss or move your target maybe further because you think it's going to go to a level that you have on your chart. Like those things can help people that have been trained by me other than people that are just blindly running the algo. And, you know, it's fine. Blindly running the algo is what most people do because the algo's been back tested and forward tested for years where it's supposed to perform well. And as we can see, it does. And that's why people use it. But I think Dale just took the mentorship and then a few weeks later he signed up for the algorithm. So I know people that do it both ways. Some people will sign up for the algorithm and then say, you know, I really want to learn how to manually trade as well because maybe the algorithm doesn't trade for the first few hours of the morning, and so then you can manually trade and take advantage of that. It's totally up to you. Hey, Aaron. I hope that answers your question, Michael. If you guys appreciate the information, if you guys appreciate the info, please give a thumbs up on YouTube. It's really helpful. I'm already over my daily goal, but party just started. No more manual for me. Only the bot on micros. Yes, please. Anybody have a problem with it? No. Oh, look. So speaking of Dale, Dale just posted his results. So this is Dale. He took the mentorship first, and now he just signed up for the algorithm. He made $125 trading manually using what I taught him. So good job, Dale. Congrats. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, sure thing, Michael. And again, if you want more info, just email me. I respond really quickly and I'm always around, so I can always answer any follow-up questions after the stream or whatever. It's 10:03, so we'll see what happens with this YM trade. And then kind of, oh, these hiccups. And then I might sign off. I don't know why I'm yawning. We could definitely move lower. See if we could get this 11,252. But yeah. I love seeing people post early in the morning. It makes me so happy. Makes me so happy. So this YM short is red. We'll see if it gets hit by the stop loss or not. If it does, no big deal. YM made 500 yesterday. What did it make the day before? Let's look. I have a results sheet in the settings spreadsheet that my members can follow.
Order bill.
All right, so we got stopped there. So we're red 200 on the day with YM with one mini. Not a big deal. It made 400 yesterday and 125 on Tuesday. YM's actually been a little slower, and then it was red on Monday. The best performer this week is 100% NQ. It's green, $4,980 across 2 days. It had no trades on Monday. On the entire week, if you ran all of the conservative scalpers plus range, you'd be up $9,815 on the week, including all wins and all losses. So it's 10:05. What did YM do last Thursday? Last Thursday, YM made $1,435. If you want more info on the algo, or you have any questions about the mentorship or just whatever, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Also, tomorrow will be the last Friday of the month, but it won't be the last day of the month. Monday will be. When the last day of the month falls on a Friday, we usually get a nice afternoon rally. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But again, the last day of the month is Monday, so it might not be a thing tomorrow. Again, I'll be back on TikTok on Monday. I'm just in a 2-day timeout because I was quote unquote mean to somebody. Just gonna drink my tea. But it actually is more calm in just YouTube and Instagram. Like, no one's saying anything to me at all. But I really like TikTok. TikTok for the drama. All right, RTY might be setting up for a trade as well as YM. So if we get those, we could watch those together. That would be fun. We'll see what happens here. I gotta bring this up a little because you guys can't see this on. Or, you know what I could do? I could minimize the ES and the NQ because they are not in trades. There we go. That's a little better. Oh. I'm still kind of missing it on YouTube. Alright, cool. Cool. It's 10:07. See how that went away? Excuse me. I have an option for no repaints either. So you see how that arrow came up and then it went away and now it's up again? We have a conservative non-repaint or an aggressive non-repaint. So what that means is if it repainted like this, it wouldn't take this trade regardless because it's been indecisive essentially. So the only time it would take the trade is if this arrow showed up and it never went away during this period. See how it's kind of going away and coming back multiple times. Kenny is giving his opinion and info on the trade or the market right now in the student corner. So if you're a student, you have access to the student corner. Look at this bounce. And you know what I haven't done lately is marked like any levels. I've been so bad, y'all. Legit. This is fun too. Do 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 do. I like that I can just insert ads. All right, so let's see. We got 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. But see, this is why, Charlie, you don't want to just jump on things before they actually happen because it keeps repainting, so it's not really sure if it's going to take this trade or not. All right. It's 10:09. Let's see what happens in una minuto. Oh, so anyway, the email that guy sent, he's like, we could work together. He speaks like fluent Spanish, so like any potential Spanish clients that I have, because I don't speak Spanish, he's like, I could help them and work with them, and I think that's a really good idea. So I'm definitely going to email him back and see what the deal is. All right, so RTY ended up not taking that long. It did repaint. YM, however, is in the long. YM might have a little bit of a choppy day. Typically, well, I wouldn't say this morning is choppy, honestly. We had a really nice drop. So I'm not even going to say what I was going to say because it's not valid. Not valid at all. If you appreciate the content, please give a thumbs up. We'll see if YM can survive here. Might have another loss. Two weeks ago, YM had a long, no, it had a short that was $4,000 in the green at like 8:30 in the morning, and then it had a long for like 3,000. It was insane. Kind of makes up for days like this that are really crappy. Hopefully we can push up and not hit that stop. Bow, bow, bow. Let's see. Somebody the other day asked me like, well, is there a guarantee? And I'm like, absolutely not. There's no guarantees. And then I'm like, it's so funny how much depends on the day that you start, because when people start and they have a red day like this, like say you started and I'm red $200, like they immediately go into like this depression. But if you would have started yesterday, you would have made, $5,000. If you would have started on Tuesday, you would have made $9,000 on Tuesday and $4,000 yesterday. You'd be up $13,000, and then this $200 that you're red this morning wouldn't matter. You know what I'm saying? So it's all in kind of the perspective of when you join, what's happening, what size account you have, all of that, what kind of hit you took, what kind of money you made. So all right, well, we were very close to being stopped there. I might need to increase the stop loss on YM, honestly, because it's been getting tagged in certain spots where it shouldn't. Like here this morning, this would have been, ooh, now we're green 200. So this is a guaranteed green trade now, so that's good. It will be 125 regardless, if not more. But yeah, this short and this one hit the offset, and this one got stopped. Obviously, if my stop loss was bigger here, that wouldn't have been ideal. So I don't know. That's where you kind of go back and forth with figuring out which one's better or not. So let me take a picture of this to show my group something. So we're green 300 on this long of YM. All right, green 350 on this long. Nice, nice. RTY never took the trade. RTY might try to get in this action soon. Now 375. Where's Charlie? Charlie, 415. I'm telling you, when YM wants to run, YM can run. I gotta pull this down. $500 on YM. $555. Let's go, YM. And again, it was red 200 before this trade. So if it closed here, which it's not going to, you would be green 300 on the day. For sure. Thanks, SR. So you could take this at any point and move it higher if you wanted to. I'm going to leave it where it's at because when I move it, like yesterday, or no, 2 days ago, I missed out on an extra like $3,000. All right, green 520 here. All right, Randy made $2,000 this morning. Nice job, Randy. He's one of my students as well. $540 on this YM. See why I didn't get my stop loss moved up. I'm just going to let it do its own work. Now you can see that regardless where my stop loss is also where this level is, which would be the stop loss regardless. Once we move more and the time continues, then this green line will move higher and it will lock in more profit. Joseph is green, is 620. I did not have the ES trade. I'm totally missing that. Oh, whatever. No, that's not what she said. Exactly, Mr. G. I did not say that. right, green 550. Sorry, I'm talking to people in the group.
Order submitted.
All right, so you can see this line has now moved up above the stop loss. So if it comes here and closes below, that will be the new stop. We're green 600 on this trade now. Mark, start with the mentorship first. Some people only have time to devote to maybe learning once a week, where other people can do it 5 days a week. So, like, I don't think, like, creating a scale to say, well, these 5 people were successful after a month, but these 5 people weren't successful until 3 months. All right, still hanging around 500. This is fine. So something like this doesn't bother me. There's only 1% on this live. I'm going to end this. Discard video. I don't know why I would keep that live. FYI, Instagram Live is BS compared to TikTok. Yeah, so I think it just depends. It's 10:23. I'm going to wait until this trade is over. Again, I didn't get an ES trade today, so I think some people did for $100. I did not. So the only trades I've had so far are YM, which is fine. Again, if it comes back down here, I'm only going to make 125. So if I wanted to move this up and lock in some more, I could do something like this. Oh, if this shows up, then I'm definitely going to pull it back down. George just posted he made $228. Nice job, George. George is also one of my students.
Order submitted.
So George, Randy, Dale, Chuck, Andy, Jamie. Essentially everyone that's posted this morning is a student of mine. Alex, Kenny. Jen posted twice. I'm going to delete this one because she made 2,000. So then she read. Oh, NQ is in a long. Garrett, and then Alex. Alex reposted, right? Yeah, let me take this away. Well, but he said a nice thing about the mentorship, so I might leave it. Let me put some emojis on George. We're green 600 on this YM trade now. Whoa, NQ is green 360 off the bat. Damn, NQ. All right, so this is NQ here. I can't show you both at the same time, but NQ is green 360. That was a fast move for NQ. Green 610 on YM. I would probably move this up a little. What time is it? It's 10:26. After 10:30, sometimes the markets get smoother. So I forgot to take off. It doesn't really matter because NQ's on sim today anyway, but I forgot to take off my trail stop. I really need to save that because I keep forgetting every time I load it. Green 650 on YM now. So YM is the only one in the trade. NQ is green $200 on the day. We need another push up for this green line to move higher. So lame. From dollar per dollar, your money perspective, that was a steal. My real estate took a whole lot more to fund than this. Joseph said, my real estate took a whole lot of more to fund this. I mean, based on breakdown, have you done the 3K between today and tomorrow? This week I performed my real estate investment for the week. Nice. Thanks, DS. You too. We'll see what happens in this trade, and then I'm going to get off the live stream. Again, if you want more info on the algorithm, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. You can follow me on TikTok, on Instagram, on Twitter. My username is boldbot with 1 underscore. You can do either, Javier. You can do it whatever way you want. Whichever way you like. All right, back up closer to 600. Yeah, the Dow is super slow.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, so it seems like we're getting a little sideways here. I might move this up a little more. NQ tried to break out again too. Again, I need to turn this off. NQ is definitely doing fine. 6:35 now on YM. $7.50. There we go, YM. Oh, let me take a video for TikTok. My little TikTok friends that aren't here. Oh my god, I saw a video so funny this morning. All right, we're in this trade. I can't go live until Monday. Sorry, guys, I'm in timeout. But we are long this YM trade for $750. It's currently red 200 on the day, so we'll see where we end, and then we will be... Oh, well, it cut me off. I was going to say, well, then we will be green for the day. Okay, let me see what I sent yesterday. All right, we're green almost 800 here now on YM. This will give us a nice push up. We can see the stop loss has almost moved just as much. Let me take a picture of this. Slow and steady wins the race, right? All right, more results just came in. Zach already made 1,600 on the day. Great job, Zach. Ooh, oh, we're still green 700. That's good. I can't remember if Zach's a student. I think he is. I can't remember. Regardless, Zach's killing it. Zach, George, Randy, Dale, Chuck, Andy, Jamie, Alex, Kenny, Jen, Garrett, Alex again, and Karan. I feel like a lot of people have A names, huh? Maybe not. No, what am I saying? There's only like 2 that have A names. Ignore me. Yep, sure thing, Javier. All right, I'm probably going to wrap it up here. This trade is doing well, but it could take a while. So we'll just give it time to play out. So this is what will get me out regardless. I might move it up a little more just because it's not too close to the current trade. I don't want to lock in some profit here, but this would probably, I can do the math, 258 to 329, 30, 70. What's 70 times 5? 350. So then I'd be green $150 on the day. If it comes and it hits my stop loss here, I'll still be green 150 on the day, and that's fine. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. All right, guys, have a good day. It's 10:40. Oh, those will probably get tagged here. Yeah, John, I'm in timeout on TikTok until Monday. Yeah, make sure you follow me on YouTube and give me a thumbs up. That would be awesome. You guys can even see this. Alright, I'm probably going to get hit by my stop loss here. At that 350. Alright, so I'm out. I'm green 145 on the day. Just YM. You can see that right here. NQ doesn't matter because that's on simulation. I'm just live on YM and ES today. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9:15. Thursday. Yeah, so Steve, we don't call that a stop out. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Thanks for joining. Yay. All right, bye.